The Rogers saga is playing out in a BC courtroom today. The family is battling for control of Canada's largest wireless company. It's a real-life succession cliffhanger. And Gaviola is following all the twists and turns. And what is the latest on this legal challenge?
Well, the very latest is that this family feud is moving from the court of public opinion into an actual courtroom before BC's top court. So ahead of this, we've had literally hundreds of documents filed by various members of the family. And the battle lines have been drawn, Robin. In the one camp, you have Edward Rogers, the only son of late founder Ted Rogers. And on the other side, the other camp, you have Rogers Corporation, which includes Edward's mother and his two sisters. And what came to light is Edward Rogers' attempt to unseat the current CEO of Rogers, Joe Natale. When that came to light, Edward was subsequently fired from his position on the corporate board, but he remains chair of the family trust, which holds the lion's share of voting power. He used that position to appoint a new board with some allies to tilt the balance of power in his favor. His mother and his sisters say this other board is illegitimate. It's going to be up to BC Supreme Court to decide who's in the right legally. I've been speaking to corporate governance experts, legal experts. They say it's just a matter of time, though, before Edward prevails.
I'm not sure how they're going to win. I mean, they may get it delayed saying, okay, you did it wrong procedurally, Mr. Rogers. You should have done it not by a private note. You should have gone to a formal shareholder meeting. But that doesn't diminish or remove his authority to vote those shares.
If I was a betting person, I think Edward is going to win in court today. What happens after that is up for debate.
So, Anne, where does this go from here?
Well, regardless of what's decided by BC's top court, keep in mind both sides have deep pockets and they have the ability to drag this out and appeal. All of this is happening while regulators decide whether or not to greenlight the Rogers takeover, that $26 billion deal of Shaw, which would be its biggest acquisition ever, perhaps its most important. Robin?
All right, Anne Gaviola in Toronto.